Carol here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a plan job. So once you've logged into your Infraspeak platform, if you head on over to the side menu and you click on the Plan Jobs tab, and if you click on Add a Plan Job, you'll see that there are three types of plan jobs. So it can be anything from a plan job, which creates maintenance plans on a yearly basis. You can create a cyclic plan job, which is for interventions that repeat over time, such as weekly or monthly. And then you have the special job, which is a one-time plan job. And we use this when we need a certain job to be done on a one-time occasion only. So we're looking to create a plan job. So let's head on over to the plan job tab and click on that one. Once we are here, we need to fill out these blank spaces so we can move on ahead with our plan job. So we're going to give this plan a name, and I'm going to call it HVAC inspection. The type of job is preventive. I can add a description if I wish. I'm going to now choose my client. So going for the hotel premium. And I'm going to select my location. And I'm going to choose here on the ground floor the technical area. I have the option to leave this job available for any user to start, or I can turn that option off and assign it to a specific user or to a specific technical specialty, for example, HVAC. And I'm going to assign a user as well. So Jonathan Pierce is my assigned user there as well. Once I've filled out these fields, I'm ready to move on over to our Interventions tab. And here in the Interventions tab is where we're going to add the interventions that we want to apply in this job. So I'm going to click on Add Interventions, and I'm going to go over to the HVAC folder. I'm going to select the chiller, which is the equipment, and I'm going to choose the intervention that I want to apply here. So I have a chiller 6-month checklist set up. I'm going to select that one here. And now that I've selected, I'm ready to click on Add Interventions and have that over here. I can now select if I want to apply it on a monthly basis, and I can do that by ticking the months manually, or I can come here to the little calendar icon and select monthly, in which it will schedule it in automatically for me. I have the option as well of scheduling it in every 2 months, every 3 months, every 4 months, or every 6 months. Once I'm done defining my periodicity on my intervention, I am now ready to click on Create a Plan Job and have my job be automatically generated inside of Infraspeak. And I've successfully created a plan job. As easy as that. Thanks for watching. Bye.